Hey everyone, and welcome to today's unboxing video. My name is Thomas and I'm from D1 Store, Australia's first and only DJI Authorised Retail Store. Today we'll be unpacking the new PGYTECH OneGo backpack. Now this derives from the success of the PGYTECH OneMo backpack, and once again PGYTECH have delivered a functional, compact and highly stylish camera drone bag. So let's open this bad boy up and see exactly what this new bag has to offer. PGYTECH have really stepped up their packaging game lately. Their products now have a very professional kind of feel while you unbox them, which is really cool. Okay, so as you can see, we've just taken out of the outer box and we actually have a little card here from PGYTECH. So there's a little "Dear Photography Enthusiast," and there is a QR code that you can scan, and if you follow PGYTECH Global you actually get a free gift. So there you go, they've given a nice little incentive there when you buy their nice cool new backpack. So basically if we pull this little tab here, the entire front of the bag actually opens up. Now this means you have unobstructed access to all of your bag, so no matter where your gear is located throughout it, you'll always be able to quickly reach for it, which is a really great concept, and it means no matter how full this bag is, finding something specific is not a problem at all. There are actually lots of really neat storage compartments inside the OneGo backpack, which really make it stand out from the crowd. The OneGo's customizable partitions allow for you to completely customize this space for a huge variety of your camera gear and even drone gear, meaning it's the perfect bag for all occasions. The MODULEPRO system consists of these removable dividers which keep your valuable equipment safe and also allows for really neat storage. It's actually more secure than your traditional Velcro. Inside the side pockets, we have these compartments that are actually zipped up. Here we can see our multifunctional magnetic badge where one side is green and the other side is actually red. The width of this badge is a perfect 1/4 inch threaded screw, so perfect for attaching tripod plates to your camera. As you can see from the top lid, there is a magnetic instant buckle. This is actually built by FIDLOCK. This allows for fast access and increased security to minimize pickpockets. Looking at the back of the bag, there are actually 2 slots with a drawable divider. Pulling on this drawer will raise the devices and allows easily for you to take your laptop or tablet device out of the back of the bag. There's also a latch system on the straps, where you can clip the straps together to keep the bag lighter and easier to carry on those longer journeys. The PGYTECH OneGo bag is stylish and purpose-built for professionals wherever and whenever. This bag is designed for professional creatives looking to travel with all of their camera gear in one neat solution of storage. This will cater for your cameras, lenses, gimbal systems and cameras all in one. The air fiber back panels prevent a sweaty back, and the honeycomb structured TPR padded straps lighten your load. Lastly, the exterior has a PU coating, which makes the bag wear and waterproof. Well, that was our first look at this amazing new bag, guys. If you'd like to get your hands on one, we have these in stock in all of our D1 stores around Australia. We also have them available for purchase from our online store, and you can even add express shipping if you'd like to get your hands on it sooner. Well, that's all we have time for now, but thank you so much for joining us, and we'll see you at the next unboxing video.